So of all your programs, Basecamp is the most extensive. You've had 40,000 plus people over 25 years. And Basecamp was always a premium program, but you recently made the decision to make it free. What's the idea behind that?
The greatest teacher in my life was my father. He's the one who lit this lamp deep inside me, the lamp to learn and grow and, always keep sort of supporting people in learning and growing. On his 25th death anniversary, I took on this mission of impacting 1 million lives who will never know my name. And when these lives are impacted, it's a message from my father to them, and they don't even know me. And this is the way that I've chosen to celebrate his life. So by offering Basecamp free to leaders who can impact at least 200 lives, they would help me to achieve this mission in the next few years. Because Basecamp enables them to produce results and produce results that are very, very powerful. And the way I like to look at it is that every single leader impacts the life of a 6-year-old girl in some remote village in some country who is wearing a pink frock with pink ribbons, with a bright smile on her face, skipping and dancing all the way to school because a fee has been paid, because there's electricity in the house, there's enough food to eat, and they're living a life of dignity because money is flowing to that remote household, because the breadwinner is working for this leader and this leader is providing that opportunity. So this mission is really about how can we protect the smile of that 6-year-old girl, and this impact of 1 million lives is dedicated to protecting the smile of that 6-year-old in the fond memory of my father.